Hello St. Andrews School students, greetings of the day. Here is your GK teacher. Today I am going to teach you exercise number 11, that is famous explorers. A person who fearlessly travels to discover something unknown to the rest of the world is called an explorer. Throughout centuries, some brave explorers have been traveling around the globe to discover new lands, people, and animal species. Read the descriptions and identify these explorers. Write their names with the help of the clue box. So, dear students, in this exercise, the famous explorers' photos and their description is given. You have to write the appropriate answer in the space provided. The first description is world's greatest explorer who made 30 expeditions to the north and the south poles. Answer is Ranulph Fiennes. Second question, the first American to orbit the earth in space. Answer is John Glenn. Third question, first explorer to reach the south pole and the first to cross the Arctic by air. Answer is Roald Amundsen. Next, English explorer who sailed around Australia tracing its coastline. Answer is Matthew Flinders. Next question, first explorer to reach the bottom of the Mariana Trench. Answer is Jacques Piccard. Next question, first woman to fly over the North Pole and explore the Arctic Ocean. And the correct answer is Louise Arner Boyd. Next question, first explorer to fly across the Atlantic that made traveling by air acceptable. Answer is Charles A. Lindbergh. Last question, first European to explore parts of Africa and African rivers. Answer is David Livingstone. Now come to exercise number 12, that is banking on banks. A bank is a financial institution that provides financial services such as wealth management, currency exchange, etc. Apart from this, banks do many more tasks. Let us see how much you know about banks. Fill in the blanks with the help of the clue box. Question number 1. Dash are also known as plastic money. Answer is credit cards. Second question, the full form of ATM is dash automated teller machine. Answer is automated teller machine. Next question, in dash the bank allows us to withdraw more money than there is in our account. Answer is overdraft. Question number 4, EMI is the dash we have to pay to the bank towards the loan we take. Answer is equated monthly installment. Question number 5, in our dash account we can deposit or withdraw money as and when desired. Answer is savings. सेविंग अकाउंट में क्या होता है, जब भी मन चाहता है तब हम विड्रॉ भी कर देते हैं अमाउंट के लिए और डिपॉजिट भी कर देते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, in a dash account we can deposit a fixed amount of money for a fixed period of time. This account is called fixed deposit account. Answer is fixed deposit. Question number 7, In our dash account, we have to deposit a fixed amount of money every month. Answer is recurring deposit, or we can say RD. Next question, question number 8. A dash account is shared by 2 or more persons. जब दो लोगों से ज़्यादा का जब कोई अकाउंट होता है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? जॉइंट अकाउंट. सो द आंसर इज जॉइंट. Question number 9. The dash issues guidelines to all the other banks in India. जो इंडिया के सभी बैंक्स हैं उनके लिए जो गाइडलाइंस प्रोवाइड करता है वो कौन सा बैंक है? रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया. So the answer is Reserve Bank of India. Now the question number 10. Under the government's Jan Dhan Yojana, people can open their bank account anywhere in India. Question number 11. Dash was the first bank to introduce ATM in India. Answer is HSBC. Question number 12. There are 34 dash banks in India. Foreign banks. Answer is foreign banks in India. Question number 13. Dash is the founder of Reserve Bank of India. And the correct answer is British Raj. Question number 14. Dash is an account into which you deposit a sum of money and agree to keep it there for a specified length of time. And the correct answer is certificate of deposit. So here we have completed our exercise number 12. Now come to exercise number 13, that is international airports. In this exercise, some international airport name is given here. You have to write their location, that where these airports are situated. Now I am reading. An international airport is an airport with customs and border control facilities enabling passengers to travel between countries. Some of the busiest international airports are given below. Write their locations with the help of the clue box. So the first one is Heathrow Airport, and the correct answer is London, UK. Second airport is Charles de Gaulle Airport, and the answer is Paris, France. Next airport is Frankfurt Airport, and the answer is Frankfurt, Germany. Question number 4. Changi Airport. Changi Airport is situated in Singapore. Question number 5. Gatwick Airport. Answer is Gatwick, UK. Sixth number is Amsterdam Airport, and the answer is Schiphol, Netherlands. Next is Hong Kong International Airport, and the answer is Hong Kong, China. And the last one is Narita International Airport, and this airport is situated in Tokyo, Japan. So here we have completed exercise number 13. So dear students, please complete your work till exercise number 13 and send the pic in the class group so that I can evaluate your work. Thank you.